welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here. Sorry that I'm speaking a bit weird. My face is actually quite swollen. You can't tell now. I've taken some antihistamines, so I have to excuse my appearance. So my face now is a huge improvement on what it was actually this morning. This is what it looked like here. I know, what the frick. Like, it really hurts to kind of talk, so I'm not going to talk much in this video. But like, my lip is so freaking swollen, and all of my eyes, like you can see that one, it's like, it needs a freaking eye lift. Like, look. So swollen in there. So I think it might have been, not sure what I'm having a reaction to, but yeah, my face is just so like, ugh. But what I've been using, what I'm here to talk about, is the Blue Earth Essential Repair Balm. So no shit, this morning when I woke up I was like, what the fuck, what am I gonna use? And then I had some of this. I've been using this on my tattoos, as you can see there, and I love it. It's so nice and hydrating for my tattoos. I haven't used it from start to finish, from like as soon as it starts healing, to see what it's like. I've just used it when they're kind of at the end of the healing stage, not at the start, and it's worked amazingly. But what I've done is I've actually used this on my lips and my face, and that I think is what has brought the reaction down. Like, of course I've taken some antihistamines to try and take it down too, but my face is still like, it's still really swollen and cracked along my lip here. So honestly, using this, like, it's this really good like just tub of stuff. I've just been like getting it on my finger. It's so nice, and just like legit slapping it on. Like, it doesn't have a smell or anything like that, and honestly, after I do that, I feel like I can open my mouth, but you can see how tight my friggin' lips are, but I feel like I can open my mouth and breathe. So I'm just slapping it on my face, and I feel like it's just really helping my like skin, because it's like, it hurts so bad, so it's just soothing it. It's just amazing. So what it's designed for is, it's designed for your lips, heels, hands and body, protects and nourishes the skin, soothes dry, irritated skin, and deeply moisturizes. And that's exactly what it's freaking doing. You can get yourself one for $29.95 at Cosmic. That's where I got my one, and it's for 100 grams of this. Yeah, it's pretty freaking good, and it's just nice and creamy on the hand. Sorry, I've got some little hairs in it. And yeah, I just think it's absolutely fantastic. It's also made in New Zealand, which is awesome, because New Zealand made product, yes, but for it to actually kind of like heal my face, well, not kind of, it is healing my face, and even just my like pimples up here, it's just really like hydrating them and just clearing out my acne, clearing out my life. If you've got cracked skin, a cracked life, you probably don't have a cracked life, but if you've got that, use this freaking repair balm by Blue Earth, and it is stunning. Like, honestly, I just wanted to do a video on how good and soothing it's been, because my face is in so much freaking pain. So the fact that this is working and soothing it, I just wanted to share with you guys just how amazing it is, because then if you guys have similar problems, if you have sensitive skin, you're prone to like skin allergies, or prone to like cracked skin if you work in real dry environments. I'm a dog groomer as well, so working in them with the dryers going all the time, like, this stuff is just, I'm gonna start using it a whole bunch more, because it is amazing. It has saved my life today. My face is so like refreshing. Like, I was using moisturizers and all that, and it was doing nothing, and also my face was still burning, and also my lips just kept burning. This is legit. There's no tingling, nothing on my lips. My lips just feel like they have always felt, but when it dries off, my lips like hurt again, but it's not as bad. Like, it is healing it, because from this morning like to this, my face looks nearly normal, and I'm like, yeah, it's just like this bit that needs to stop, and then my lip needs to stop being so huge. Like, look, why are you so big? What is going on? So yeah, I just wanted to appreciate Blue Earth and share my new Holy Grail, that this is just amazing. So it's not really necessarily a review, but it is an essential repair balm, and it was an essential. I did this video because I am just obsessed and so grateful. Thank you, Blue Earth, for existing and fixing my face. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Do you guys have any skin like irritations or anything down below, like dermatitis? I get real bad dermatitis in my hands, so I'm excited to start using this on it to see how it goes and how it like hydrates my hands. Like, my face is so like energized, and like it just looks, my skin just looks so good. I'm so happy. So this is definitely going to be coming into my daily routine as well, to actually put on like my lips and use instead of chapstick. Like, it's just like, oh, it's just so good. But you can see like how tight my lips are, and you can see them cracking and things like that. So I'm like, this stuff is just like, oh, so good. Like, look, lip gloss too. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes. And until next time, if you guys have any more requests for skincare videos or like allergy videos, then let me know in the comments down below. And sorry I look like crap. I feel like crap and my skin hurts. So there you go. Alright, love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!